Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very well. I know it's been a while, I'm really sorry I got caught up with my personal stuff, but hey, never mind, I'm back here with my pre-autumn haul video. So before I start, let me make clear to you in advance that I did not purchase this clothes like all at once. These are something that I have acquired over the months. I just wanted to clear off that misunderstanding, and here we begin. So I'm starting with the basics, and this is a hoodie in a lilac color. This is from H&M and it's a cotton hoodie with a fleece lining inside. I got this in size extra small and the size is perfect for me. I'm a UK size 8, so extra small was okay as well, and this item is quite reasonably priced as well. This is $17.99 and the quality is not too bad. I have had this similar cropped ones, white and yellow colored hoodie like a few years back, and I absolutely love them, and this time I got a bit longer size, and I have also got the matching bottoms, matching joggers for this one. Here it is. This is again in size extra small, and this was even cheaper. The bottoms were like $14.99. So if you think about it, you get like a matching set hoodie and bottoms for under £40, and it's absolutely worth it. So I thought it's a good idea to purchase them because like whenever you are going out and about like casually, then you can obviously pair them together with like white sneakers, and I think that will keep you nice and warm. So another item that I'm going to show you is a hoodie again, and this time it's a bit luxurious one. It's from Stella McCartney and it's like grey in color. It's quite thin, so I'm not sure if it's going to keep you too warm, but I love the baggy design of it. And this one here, I got this in really discounted price in Besta Village, so yeah, I love it. So this particular hoodie, I think I will be wearing them more on a like dark rainy days here in the UK, and this will hopefully be my wardrobe staple and will stay for a long time. This one here, I found this on Outlet, which is why I couldn't find my exact size. So this one is about size 10 UK and it's already oversized, so it's gonna be quite baggy for me, but I love baggy designs. So the third item I'm going to show you is a cardigan, and this time it's more like a tan color with a bit of pop of colors with red, black and white. This one here feels really soft and I think the quality is amazing. And this one is from a brand called Cloudy Pearl, which you can find in Selfridges, and this one says size 1, which is I think a size 6 to 8 UK. So I've tried this on and it looks really good. The fitting is quite good as well. I have never bought anything from this brand before, so this is my first and I think I love it. So the next item I'm going to show you is again from the same brand called Cloudy Pearl. By the look of it, even if it says size 34, which is a size 6, it looks quite baggy. I hope it will be alright for me because I really love the design and I don't really want to return this. I will try them later on and I will put that in the styling part, which is towards the end part of this video, so keep watching. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please do, it really means a lot to me. And if you have any thoughts about any items here or any other questions, then please leave your comments in the comment sections down below. So the next item I'm going to show you is again trousers, and I said earlier that I love trousers so much these days, and this one here, it's from Reiss, which I absolutely love. Initially I used to find them very expensive brand. It is a high street brand, but the finishing and the quality is like next level. I recently discovered that if you wait for like sales, then they are quite reasonably priced and it's easy to afford it. Otherwise, before I used to look at the normal prices and I was like, no, this is way out of my range. And because there was a heel sale going on this brand, I was able to purchase few items which I absolutely love, and which I also think can be worn in autumn winter. The sizing is a bit different in Reiss compared to other UK brands. This one is size 6, but let me warn you at the beginning, it runs a bit large compared to like H&M, Topshop. So I purchased this in size 6 because that's the smallest size you could get, but this is still slightly on the looser side, but I think I'm fine with it. The quality and the cut is really good. It says Italian fabric, so I think it must be luxurious if it's Italian. I also love the color. It has like a black, little bit of white and also khaki prints, which is perfect for autumn winter, and it is a wool blended, so it is also warm enough to wear them in the autumn winter. So there is another item from Reiss as well, and this is my most favorite thing in my whole wardrobe. It's this metallic skirt, which is again in size 8 UK. I don't know why, but this one particularly ran smaller compared to other items from Reiss. So there's a story behind this skirt. I first saw this skirt like 6 months ago before the lockdown, and it was like 155 or 60 pounds, and I thought like, I'm not going to pay that much money for a skirt, but I always like went over and over again and had a look, and then there were no signs that it came to sale as well. But then I went to the store recently and I found only one piece, and that was in my size. How lucky. So I grabbed it and I paid 60 pounds for it, and I literally have zero regrets on paying 60 pounds for the skirts because I absolutely love them. So there's one more skirt that I recently purchased, and it's more on the affordable side. It is from H&M, and it is this satin midi-length skirt, which is a perfect fit for me. It's a size 8 and it's not the very best quality, and because it is black, I don't think there will be any problems with like see-through or like material wise. It won't look too thin even if it is. I really fell in love with the print and the color, and with midi skirts like this you can style them many different ways. For the autumn winter you can also style them with like a jumper. You can put like an oversized jumper on top, and with like sneakers you can pair them anyway. So at the styling part of this video I will show you guys how to wear them with the jumper. So the next item I'm going to show you is this blazer. This one particularly here is absolutely stunning. This is more on the expensive side of the high street. This is from Zara and this is in extra small. I love the cream color, which is more of a off-white with gold buttons. I love anything with gold details. They are my absolute favorite, and I love the structure. It also has like shoulder pads, which makes it look very fitting and very stylish. So yeah, this is my another piece for my autumn winter collection. So the last piece of clothing that I'm going to show you is another blazer. It's again from Zara, but this one was a gift from my sister for my birthday, and this is the color that is very trendy at the moment. As you can see, the hoodies and the jogging bottoms as well. I love this kind of pastel colors. I know it's a bit summery, but I think even this autumn winter colors are going to be a very big thing, so I think I will be wearing throughout the autumn as well. And this is again in size small. Again, this has a similar kind of black and gold buttons here, and also the shoulder pads, which makes it look very high-end. So that is the end for the clothing part. So I'm going to be moving towards the shoes part, and there are just two pair of shoes. So the first pair is like a classic staple piece in my wardrobe, and it's a white sneakers. I have shown in my previous videos as well. All I wear is white colored sneakers. I don't really own any other colors in trainers. This one actually has few colors, like a dark navy blue and red highlights as well. This is a brand called Vesa, and it's very trendy at the moment. These are getting really popular because they are made from vegan leathers, so it is quite environmental friendly shoes, and I absolutely love the color combo and design. And the next pair of shoes is this boots. It's a chunky oversized boots, and it is from a brand called Kenzo. I own like few clothes from this brand and I am big fan since then. And this one particular design, I wanted to get them last year, but then I thought it was too late, so I would get next winter, and luckily I found them on sale on Flannel. So if you are looking for chunky boots to buy which you want to keep for longer term, so I think it's best to invest in like good quality ones. So if you guys check out Flannels, they do really good discount and sale. And last but not the least, I'm going to show you my most special thing here, and it's a YSL bag. This is actually a gift from me to myself for my birthday, and I actually posted like a question on my Instagram post, and I had few options, so I asked you guys' opinion on my Instagram page, and most of you voted for this one. So yeah, I was really confused between like three, so I went for this one as I thought like this is perfect for autumn winter color. Yes, thank you guys for your suggestions. I love it even more when I see them in real. So I have finished going through all the pieces you can see here, and let's move on to the styling part.